And we say now we care about the youth in NDC and the youth in NPP. Nanado has done a disservice to NPP for a very long time. I'm to see the effect.
The outcome in Tiasia, what's an another day?
Disservice. One more NPP.
But is another more NPP saying?
For the future? No. We share at a mill. On the starting building of the NDC youth for the future. Obekaya, babies with sharp teeth, at a mill and a mustache. And then I'm nominating leading ministers, cabinet ministers. We share NPP government under Nanado. Why NAU do? The average age of NPP ministers was very old, including the board CEOs. They did not expose the young men in NPP to be able to be in a position to take the affairs of the party going forward or beyond his death. Obanea, the oldest member of the cabinet, MCA Rashid Pelfo, Uncle Wadia, 65. He is the oldest member of the cabinet. You have people who are probably 34 years, 35 in the cabinet. Key ministerial positions. For the next 20 years, these guys will sleep the world within 50 years. They are reflecting the population structure of Ghana. The Ghanaian youth will see them reflected in who is leading them. You must have a plan to build the future of the country. The plan that will have the youth leading. One is the party will die down.
So,
we share NPP delegates.
Delegates,
Whereas 75% of Ghanaians are below 40. NPP delegates, 75% of them are above 44 years.
Hey, Bajo Kabina Mentrona, we know who hear me. O say delegates here, Yenina, to say the Udi can hear preamble say, and then Mebuno below 40 now, Mutime Tuabano. 75%. So about NPP delegates more. Dodona about 40 years.
Yes. 75% of them only above 44 years.
I see.
When you get the amendment to bring the youth definition to 40 years. Congress will go on. Omoji tumwa nanka omoji na bele so seat as youth.